Today, I'm going to show you how to add a banner on eBay step by step. First, go to the eBay website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile name in the top corner. From the drop-down menu, go to Account Settings. Inside your account settings, look for the option that says Personal Information or Profile. Click on your profile to open it. Now you'll see your public profile page. Here, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see the cover photo section. There will be an option that says Add Cover or Edit Cover. Click on that option. Now select the image from your computer that you want to use as your banner. Choose the file, adjust it if necessary, and then click Save. Once saved, your new banner will appear at the top of your eBay profile. And that's it. That's how you add or change your cover banner on eBay quickly and easily.